Sorry ass DJ.
Hello guys, now I'm going to show you how to create unlimited Telegram account with mutable fake number. Country name Poland. And I took a virtual number from my virtual number app. This is my virtual number and I will send OTP to it now. I will tell you where to get this virtual number app at the end of the video, so watch the full video. The code has been sent. A direct SMS will be sent to this number. There is no need a call to get the code. I got a code on my virtual number app. This is my code. You can check my date and time just arrived. The code is 100% correct and matched very nicely. Wow, my account is created brand new and fresh account. You can check my number is correct. You can compare this number by pausing the video. You will get all information about this virtual number apps in this video description box, so check this video description box. Now I will show you how to create 2 to 3 more Telegram accounts. So I passed the video and got another virtual number, and it didn't take me long to get this virtual number. This is my new virtual number. Creating your Telegram account may take 5 to 10 minutes maximum. Now I will send the code again by giving this number here in Telegram. The code has been sent. A direct SMS will be sent to this number. There is no need a call to get the code. The code came from Telegram to my virtual number app. This is my code. You see my date and time are correct, it just arrived. Again, the code is correct. Again, a new and fresh account is created. You can check the number by passing the video. This is the previous number. Yes, now my 2 accounts are created. I will create 1 more account. So bypassing this video, I will come now with 1 more number. I went with another number from my virtual number app. This is my virtual number. I have now sent this number to Telegram, and will check if this number is correct, and I will send the code to it now. You can see here it wants my email. You can give your email here. No need to enter the code later. You will receive the code via email. I gave my email and sent the code. I opened my Gmail app, received the code here in my email. I will now put it in Telegram. The code is correct, and the code has gone from my Telegram 2 virtual number apps to this number. No need call to get the code. You can see that the code has appeared in my virtual number app. This is my code. This is my time. The code just arrived. The code 100% correct and matched very nicely. Another new account has been created with virtual number. This is my 3rd virtual Telegram account. You can pass the video and match the number to see if the number is correct. This is my 2nd virtual account. This is my first virtual account. Hey, talking to you guys, I created 3 Telegram accounts. It didn't take long to create 3 Telegram accounts. Those of you who have been watching the video from the beginning have understood. About this trick, you will get all the information about it in this video description box. Contact me by searching ID Telegram given on the screen. If you like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is our channel. This virtual app is paid. Those of you who want to create a Telegram account for free must subscribe and turn on the notification. After a few days, we provide a free video on how to create an unlimited Telegram account.